on his back and said, When trains started in our country approximately 150 years back. Among all the vehicles which you are seeing on road, the bullock cart is oldest. Before it, thousands of years back, man didn't have any means of transportation. He used to go from one place to another quickly on foot.
Yes. So, you know, this is a story. This is the journey from primitive man to settled life. If you remember, then in the fifth class, we have learned about, how the primitive man started living at one place, where the primitive man was earlier living. Where was he living? He was living in
Ma'am,
caves,
cave
huh, in caves, in
in
bark,
our
on trees,
yes.
है ना इन सब जगह पे वो लोग रहते थे primitive man. So how did he started living at one place, settled life? All this we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay. Now, Nadir and his family were going from Gandhinagar to Jamnagar in a train. Where were they going? Gandhinagar to Jamnagar. Train में जा रहे थे. Now, sitting near the window, he saw trees, bullock carts, camel carts, rickshaws, bus, tractor, etc. etc. Many things. हम भी ट्रेन में जाते हैं तो हम भी देखते हैं ना कभी कहीं बुलोक कार्ट दिखता है कहीं कैमल कार्ट rickshaws, bus, tractors, scooters, etc. etc. Right? So same way when he saw these things, he asked his uncle. What did he ask? Okay, when did this transportation start? क्या पूछा उसने बेटा कि ये ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कब स्टार्ट हुई? ओके व्हाट डिड ही आस्क बेटा?
ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कब स्टार्ट हुई?
हाँ, his uncle put his hand on his back and said, train started in our country approximately 150 years back. कितने साल पीछे? 150 साल.
Once.
हाँ, 150 years back. Among all these vehicles which we are seeing today on the road, okay, आज जो हम रोड पे देखते हैं, like bullock cart, is the oldest. Earlier the man used to go from one place to another place on foot. मतलब चल के जाते थे. On foot, they used to go walking. But slowly and gradually, we learned in that previous class that wheel was invented. Yes, remember?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So wheel was what, beta? Wheel was an important revolution. है ना? For the
Yes,
yes, for the early man, right? So,
मैम मेरिट
हाँ,
मेरिट करूँ और डोलिया?
हाँ, wait a minute. So,
मैम इसके बाद मैं रीड करूँ दसड़िया सेफ?
I have said that, okay? So earlier, the man used to travel from one place to another place on foot, okay? चल के जाते थे वो. Now the next topic we will see that primitive man and nomadic life. कैसे life? Nomadic life, okay? Primitive men were also known as nomads. Okay, what were they known as? Nomads. Yes, better read.
Ma'am, who?
Ahad had asked for the permission.
मैम मैं रीड करूँ? ओके मैम. Primitive man nomadic life. Primitive man means people of very old time, approximately 20 lakh years ago. He led a nomadic life and spent his time by hunting. This stage of humans is called hunters and gatherers. He used to gather his food by hunting animals like deer, fishes, and birds. Other than this, Other than this, they collected roots and fruits for their food. It was not easy. Sometimes wild animals attacked them. Moreover, some of the animals were fast in running. So it was not easy for primitive man to catch them. Thus, primitive man used to wander from one place to another in search of food. Thus, he learned which fruits and roots to eat and which from one not to eat, as many of them were
Poisonous.
poisonous. Animals like deer, sheep, goat were easy to hunt. So primitive man used to wander one place to another in search of them. Moreover, water being essential for life, used
Essential.
to essential for life,
Essential.
they used to settle near the sources of water.
Very good. So primitive man means people of very very old time, है ना? Approximately 20 lakh years ago. कितने lakh years ago?
20 lakh
20.
years ago,
हाँ. So they led a nomadic life. Which type of life they led? A
nomadic
nomadic life, and spend his time by hunting. This stage of humans is called hunters and gatherers. What it is called, beta?
hunters and gatherers.
Huh. He, he used to gather his food by hunting animals like deer, fish, and birds. How it is used?
Deer, fish,
Yes,
and birds.
yes. He led a nomadic life and spent his time by hunting. This stage of humans is called hunters and gatherers. What it is called? Hunters
Hunters and
and
gatherers.
Hunters and gatherers.
yes, hunters and gatherers. Okay. He used to gather his food by hunting animals. Like which type of animals? Like deer,
Deer,
fishes, and
fishes,
birds.
Goat.
and birds.
Yes. Rather than this, they collected roots and fruits of for their food. इसके अलावा भी उन्होंने क्या कलेक्ट किया? रूट्स कभी खाते थे, आज भी हम रूट्स खाते हैं, जैसे हम कैरेट खाते हैं तो कैरेट ग्रोज अंडर द अर्थ. Okay, potatoes also grows under the earth, right? So
Yeah.
carrots and fruits of their for their food. But you know, beta, it was not that easy. समटाइम्स तो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स ऑल्सो अटैक देम, है ना? अगर आप कहीं पे भी शिकार करने जाओ तो ऐसा होता है ना कि वाइल्ड एनिमल्स विल ऑल्सो अटैक देम. ओके. Moreover, some of the animals were fast in running. कुछ एनिमल्स कैसे थे? दौड़ने में फास्ट
Fast
थे.
in running.
हाँ. So it was not easy for the primitive men to catch them. Thus, primitive men used to wander from place to place, another place in search of food. तो उनको क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक जगह से दूसरी जगह घूमना ही पड़ेगा in search of food, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So this way he roamed from one place to another place in search of food.
Food.
Thus he learned which fruits and roots to eat and which not to eat, as many of them were poisonous. हाँ, वो धीमे धीमे उसने ये भी लर्न किया कि ये फ्रूट खाना चाहिए, ये फ्रूट नहीं खाना चाहिए. क्यों नहीं खाना चाहिए? कभी कभी वो फ्रूट्स पॉइजनस भी होते हैं, कुछ रूट्स भी पॉइजनस होते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? So this
Yes,
way,
ma'am.
this way
Yes,
he
ma'am.
learned. Poisonous means what? The things that poisonous એટલે શું? કે if we eat that, we may die. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So slowly and gradually he learned which fruits and roots to eat and which not to eat, as many of them were poisonous. तो कुछ नहीं भी खाने चाहिए, कुछ खाने चाहिए, है ना? कुछ के टेस्ट उनको अच्छे लगे, कुछ के टेस्ट उनको नहीं अच्छे लगे, right? So animals like deer, sheep, goat were easy to hunt. So primitive men used to wander from one place to another place in search of them. Moreover, after that, what did they realize? Okay, water being an essential for the life, right? They used to settle near the sources of water. Then they understood कि water कैसे जरूरी है. कि for example उनको पानी पीना है तो water चाहिए. फिर उनको अगर कुछ ग्रो करना है तो वाटर चाहिए, है ना? क्योंकि पानी कैसे डालेंगे, फिर ग्रो करेंगे कोई भी प्लांट। तो व्हाट डज अ प्लांट रिक्वायर? एयर, वाटर एंड सनलाइट,
sunlight.
है ना? एंड सो ही स्टार्टेड सेटलिंग नियर द बैंक्स ऑफ रिवर्स, सो दैट इज व्हाई दे कैन गेट वाटर वेरी इजीली। फिर उन लोगों ने एनिमल्स को टेम करना चालू किया, प्रिमिटिव मैन ने एनिमल्स को टेम करके उनसे काम करवाना चालू किया कि भाई टू टेक थिंग्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, है ना? क्योंकि तभी स्कूटर्स, कार्स, ये सब नहीं था, व्हील्स डिस्कवर नहीं हुए थे, इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील नहीं था। सो दे स्टार्टेड टेमिंग एनिमल्स कि भाई डोंकी ने टेम करे तो डोंकी विल कैरी द लोड फॉर देम, if they tame a bullock or a cow, then they will be helpful in doing the farming work, understood? This way he started taming the animals. તો એનિમલ્સ ને પણ ટેમ કરે તો એનિમલ્સ ને પાણી પીવા તો જોવે કે નહીં? તો એ લોકો જો બેંક પાસે, રિવર બેંક પાસે રહે તો એ લોકો ઇઝીલી પાણી મળી જાય ને? યસ ઓર નો?
Yes, ma'am.
So this way they started settling down at one place. Chalo, who was asking for permission to read?
Dasalia Muhammad Saif.
Yes, sir. Revise this paragraph. If anyone has doubt, then ask me, okay?
Primit- primitive man नेम्डेल मैम तुम्हारी बुक में अंधारा आता है.
બેટા એકચ્યુઅલી છે ને આની સાચી પીડીએફ નથી અવેલેબલ, તો આ છે ને મારા ફોનમાંથી આ નથી સારા ફોટા પડ્યા. હું ટ્રાય કરીશ ફરીથી નવી પીડીએફ બનાવવાની, ઓકે? અગર આપવા
Primitive man means people of a very old time, approximately 20 lakh years ago. He had nomadic life and spent time by hunting. This stage of humans is called hunter and gatherers. He used to gather his food by hunting animals like deer, fish and birds. Other than this, they collected roots and fruits for their food. It was not the easy. Sometimes wild animals attacked them. Moreover, some of the animals were fast in running, so it was not easy for primitive man to catch them. Thus, primitive man used to wander from one place to another in search of food. Thus, he learned which fruits and roots to can eat, in which not to eat, as many of them were poisonous. Animals like deer, sheep, goat were easy to hunt, so primitive man used to wander from one place to another in search of them. Moreover, water being for
essential,
life,
essential.
they used to settle near the sources of water, places of human
Put it
habitation
here,
of
everyone.
primitive man in India.
सबको
Alka,
समझ में आया ऊपर का पैराग्राफ?
yes,
Anyone any doubts?
Man, no doubt.
Very good. Chalo, next. Let's continue.
yes. Archaeologists, anthropologists, and historians have together found out many places of habitation of primitive man. Along with it, they have also found out information about implements
Implements.
used implements used by them. They used implements and weapons made of stone and wood. Sometimes they even used implements made up of bones, since the lives of hunter-gatherer and wanderers are associated with stone technology. This time is called Paleolithic.
Very good.
Ma'am,
So,
I am read
wait, beta. What is your name?
Muhammad Reza.
Let's wait. I'll explain this and then you read, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Places of human habitations of primitive men in India. It is said that archaeologists, anthropologists, and historians have together found many places of habitations of primitive man. कितने places find out किए? Many places, एक दो नहीं, but बहुत सारे places of human habitations के find out किए हैं, right? They use along with it, they have also found out information about implements used by them. What have they found, बेटा? कोई भी weapons जो भी उन्होंने use किया हो. From whose mic this voice is coming?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is coming.
But there is disturbance from someone's mic.
Ma'am, Shafiq Biryani.
Shafiq,
Yes, ma'am. His mic is unmute. मैम मैं रीड करो परियानी मोहम्मद शफीक.
wait, I am explaining, no? Along with that, they have also found out information about implements used by them. They used implements and weapons made of stone and wood. Okay, sometimes they made of weapons of stone and wood. Why? Because at that time machineries were not there. They were not knowing how to make weapons on machines. They used to make weapons with hands, है ना? तो किस टाइप के weapons बनाते थे? Stones से. Understood? Stones and wood. Sometimes they even used implements made up of bones. कभी कभी bones के भी बनाते थे. Since the lives of hunter gatherers and wanderers were associated with some technology, this time is called Paleolithic. What time is called? Paleolithic. Okay. The stones shown in figure 2.1 were used to cut vegetations and scrape the skin of animals. Primitive man used peel of tree and skin of animals to cover his body, because at that time clothes was also not found out, है ना? So how did they wear the clothes? They wore the clothes by with the help of skins of dead animals, as well as sometimes plants, sometimes leaves of the trees also, right? They used to cover their body with such things. Why they used to cover their body? So that they can protect themselves from heat, cold and rain, right? Okay. Yes, Shafiq, revise this paragraph so that if anyone has doubt, they can ask.
कौन सा रिवाइज करो मैम? प्लीज अब ह्यूमन वाला मैम.
हाँ.
Please human habitation of primitive man in India. Archaeologists, anthropologists, and
Historians.
historians have together found on out many places of habitation of primitive man. Along with it, they have also found out information about implements used by them. They use implements and weapons made of stone and wood. Sometimes they even used implements made up of bones, since the leaves of hunter what ma'am?
Gatherer.
Gazdar and wanderers are
Wandered.
wandered are as- associated with stone. Reconnaissance this time is called le-
Paleolithic. Paleolithic age. Okay.
Paleolithic. Yes. 2.1 Stone Age weapons. The stone show in Pledge 2.1 were used to cut vegetation and to scrape the skin of Animal primitive man used peel of the tree and skin of animal to cover his body.
Very good. Chalo, anyone any doubt till here?
No,
No
No?
man,
ma'am.
no doubt.
Okay, okay. Then I'll share the second page. Yes, Hassan, read beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Hassan.
Yes, ma'am. I'm reading. I wrote it on the screen. Discover, yes. Discovery of fire and wheel and their uses. Ruins of ashes found in the caves of the primitive man in Kurnool in South India indicate that they were familiar with fire. As per historians, approximately 1100 years ago, humans started using fire. Use of fire had revolutionized
Revolutionary.
yes, revolutionized their
Revolution. Hides, I am also having problem. Okay.
okay, ma'am, their life because with the help of it they could cook the meat and eat, get light and protect themselves from wild animals. Other than fire, other than fire, will also revolutionized their life. They learned to make wheel from tree trunks and thick wood, changing the environment. Around 1200 years ago, there was a vis- widespread,
Spread change.
widespread change in the atmosphere of the world due to increase in temperature. The
Vegetation.
vegetation and grass field started growing in many areas of the world. As a result, a number of grass-eating animals, herbivores like deer, sheep, goat, etc., increased. Primitive man certainly got
Certainly.
benefits. Yes,
Certainly.
certainly got benefits of it. They started studying each animal's behavior and thus their mental development started. They came they came in contact with grass, trees, vegetation as well as wheat, barley and other grains. Due to climate change by using sons, woman, men and children collected grains because of this curious,
Because of this curious instinct,
curious thing, because of this curious instinct, slowly agriculture started in India. People started using stone to grow grains. They started growing grains near the banks of the rivers and constructed their house made up of mud. Then what? Thatch. Yes, thatch.
thatch,
Thatch, hay, and other materials in the nearby area. As a result of it, Their nomadic life came to an end and and started a settled life. The first companion or friend of this settled life was a dog. Besides, familiar with sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig, etc., gradually they started adjusting with them too. These animals protected them from wild animals, thus they associated with animal husbandry also along with farming. However, research is being carried out to find out how long he had been using animal to get milk.
Yes. So it is said in this paragraph that how discovery of fire and wheel and their uses started in the early man's life. You know बेटा, ruins of ashes, मतलब ashes means क्या, जब हम कोई भी पेपर या लकड़ा या कुछ भी फायर करते हैं तो उसमें जो पीछे ब्लैक कलर का रहता है ना, राख जो है ना, फायर होता है तब पीछे जो एशेस रहते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड एशेस. अभी ये कहाँ पे फाइंड हुए हैं? ऐसे केव्स में बहुत सारी चीजें फाइंड आउट हुई है. Of primitive man in Kurnool in South India indicate that they were familiar with fire. अभी एशेस से आर्कोलॉजिस्ट हिस्टोरियंस को पता चला है कि हाँ, प्रिमिटिव मैन भी फायर को लर्न कर चुके थे, फायर की यूजेस को लर्न कर चुके थे. बट as the prehistorians approximately 11,000 years ago, आप तो 10 साल के हो, 11 साल के हो, 12 साल के हो, तो ये कितने साल पहले की बात होती है? अप्रोक्सीमेटली 11,000 years ago की. Humans started using fire. What did humans started using, beta? Fire. Okay, he started using fire. Okay, use of fire had, हाँ बेटा, use of fire, हाँ बोलो, doubt.
Oh,
Okay. Use of fire had revolutionized their life because with the help of it they could cook the meat and eat, get light, and yes, of course, the most important thing, they could protect themselves from wild animals. કેમકે એ લોકો શેનાથી ડરે? એનિમલ્સ, વાઇલ્ડ એનિમલ્સ ફાયરથી બહુ ડરે. તો એ લોકો ત્રણ વસ્તુ કરી શક્યા ફાયરના ઇન્વેન્શન પછી. એક તો એ લોકોના ઘરમાં લાઇટ નહોતી કેમ કે એ લોકો કેવ્સમાં રહેતા હતા, તો એ લોકો ફાયરના હેલ્પથી થોડીક લાઇટ લાવી શક્યા કેવ્સમાં. પછી ફાયરના હેલ્પથી એ લોકોનું ફૂડ કુક કરી શક્યા. And the most important thing, they could protect themselves from wild animals because wild animals are scared of fire. They don't go near fire. Understood? So એ લોકોને protection થઈ ગઈ. They got themselves protected from wild animals. Today, we can protect ourselves from wild animals by different things. हम जो हाउस में रहते हैं, that protects us from wild animals, है ना? Then apart from that, this wild animals, if we go in a jungle tour or a adventurous tour, then we are in jeeps, we are in cars which are protected from wild animals. Apart from that, we have weapons. If wild animals attacks on us, then you can you can ऐसे वेपन्स होते हैं जिससे वाइल्ड एनिमल्स मरते नहीं है, बेहोश हो जाते हैं, इंजेक्शंस होते हैं उसमें. So you can protect themselves, you can protect yourself from wild animals by this type of such type of weapons. Because animals, wild animals હોય કે domesticated animals હોય, Hassan, listen, it is crime to hunt them. એને મારી નાખવું એ ક્રાઇમ છે. Indian constitution it is mentioned as a crime. Do you get my point? So nowadays we cannot hunt animals, we cannot torture them. जैसे पहले ये जो जादू के शो होते थे, सर्कस होता था, उसमें एनिमल्स का यूज होता था, उनको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती थी. तो अभी वो टॉर्चर, क्योंकि ट्रेनिंग कैसे दी जाती है एनिमल्स को? मार के, कुछ सिखाना पड़े तो ना समझे तो उसको मारते थे और फिर सिखाते थे, तो वो टॉर्चरिंग कहलाता है. तो टॉर्चरिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स, hunting of animals is crime right now in India and many countries also, right? So all this was what? So early men learned all these things from different ways. Now changing environment. અચ્છા ઉપરમાં કોઈને કઈ ડાઉટ નથી ને?
No, ma'am.
Okay, changing environment. You know, beta, around 12,000 years ago, કેટલા years ago?
12,000.
1 year.
12,000 years ago,
12,000 years.
there was a widespread change in the atmosphere of the world. કેવું change હતું? Widespread change, બહુ મોટો change હતો. હે ને? In the atmosphere of the world due to increase in temperature, vegetation and grass fields started growing in many areas of the world. હે ને? Atmosphere change થાય એટલે બધે grass ઉગી જાય, vegetations થઈ જાય, right? So this way people understood, early primitive men understood. As a result, number of grass eating animals, herbivorous like deer, sheep, goat, etc. also increased. Primitive men certainly got benefits of it. They started studying these animals' behaviors and thus their mental development started. So they started understanding કે ભાઈ sheep, goat ને એ બધા grass eating animals છે, herbivorous છે, then they categorized carnivorous animals. And then they found out omnivorous animals, and then they understood કે ભાઈ આ ટાઈપના animals ને tame કરી શકાય છે for the use and all this, right? They came in contact with grass, trees, vegetation, as well as wheat, barley, and other grains due to climate change. By using stones, women, men, and children, they collected grains. Because of this curious instinct, slowly agriculture started in India. What started? Beta, with this agriculture started.
Agriculture.
With the start of agriculture, man understood that he requires to live near